Hi viewers, hope you are all well. This is DrWaheedJatoi and you are watching DrWaheedJatoi official YouTube channel. Today we talk about a very important content, that is cross-cultural communication. Cross-cultural communication is a process through which we exchange our views, ideas and messages. This can be done between individuals or the groups. Let's meet after this lecture. Before we start a detailed talk on cross-cultural communication, let's understand what culture is and what communication is. Communication is the process of exchanging information, ideas, thoughts, and messages between individuals, groups, or organizations through a common system of symbols, signs, or behavior. Culture is a complex and multifaceted concept that encompasses the values, norms, customs, traditions, and beliefs shared by a group of people. It is the collective expression of human experience influencing how individuals think, feel, and behave. In other words, we can say the set of values, norms, practices, and symbols that are shared by a group of people and transmitted from one generation to the next, shaping their identity, behavior, and interactions. It is called culture. The components of culture are values, like fundamental principles and standards that guide behavior. Number two, norms. Norms are expected patterns of behavior. 3. Customs. Customs are traditional practices and rituals. 4. Traditions. Traditions are established ways of doing things. 5. Beliefs. Spiritual, philosophical, or ideological convictions are called beliefs. 6. Language. Verbal and non-verbal communication is called language. 7. Symbols. Symbols are objects, colors, or images with meaning. Apart from that, there are certain types of culture. In nutshell, number 1, national culture, that is shared by citizens of a nation. 2, ethnic culture, that is shared by ethnic groups. 3, organizational culture, that is shared by employees within an organization. 4, subculture, that is shared by smaller groups within a larger culture. The key aspects of cross-cultural communication are: 1. Cultural awareness. In this concept or aspect, understanding cultural norms, values, and beliefs are discussed. 2. Language. Recognizing linguistic differences and potential barriers. 3. Non-verbal communication. Interpreting gestures, body language, and facial expressions. 4. Contextualization. Considering historical, social, and environmental factors. So these 4 key aspects represent cross-cultural communication. Number 1, interpersonal. This is face-to-face. 2, organizational, business and workplace. 3, international, global interactions. 4, virtual, online or digital platforms. Challenges. Language barriers. 2, cultural stereotypes, misinterpretation of nonverbal cues, different communication styles, power dynamics, and cultural hierarchy. There are certain effective cross-cultural communication strategies, and that is active listening, 2. Empathy and openness, 3. Clear and simple language, awareness of cultural differences, 5. It's adaptation and flexibility, feedback and clarification, education and training. After these things comes benefits. What are the benefits of cross-cultural communication? Number 1, that is enhanced global understanding, improved relationships, increased business success, better conflict resolution, personal growth and enrichment. For example, international business negotiations, diplomatic relations, multicultural team collaboration, social media interactions, study abroad programs. As we conclude our exploration of cross-cultural communication, let's consider the broader context. Historically, cross-cultural communication has evolved from colonialism and imperialism to globalization and technological advancements. However, cognitive biases like ethnocentrism, stereotyping, and confirmation bias can hinder effective communication. Developing emotional intelligence through self-awareness, empathy, and social skills is crucial. Intercultural competency models like BEND's developmental models of intercultural sensitivity and DrWaheed's process model of intercultural competence offer frameworks of growth. Cultural narrative analysis helps uncover underlying stories and values. Global virtual teams require adaptability, technology, literacy, and cultural intelligence. Multicultural leadership involves managing power dynamics, fostering diversity, and promoting inclusion. Finally, intersectionality acknowledges the complex intersections of identity, culture, and social context. By recognizing these factors and cultivating intercultural competence, we can effectively bridge cultural divides, foster global collaboration, and promote social justice. This was all about cross-cultural communication, and I hope that it's useful and meaningful for you, and you enjoyed yourself by watching that. Thanks a lot. Keep watching. Bye.